So I'm setting the time clock here on a Lincoln Chlorinator, or if you recognise the box, maybe you'll see it under another brand in another country. This is in Australia. You've got a menu button here which is pretty straightforward. As we press that, you've got your chlorine output. This is how you determine how much amperage runs across your cell. Timer is what I'm going to show you here, how to set the timer. We hit enter to go into that level, and then here it's all pretty funky, this one. Where the arrow is pointing, each of these blocks actually displays a time period. You see here, this is from midnight to 1 AM. So we want to move across until we get to a morning 10, 11, 12. So there's a full 24-hour clock in these two blocks of 12. And what you can do, when you're on any block, you can press the enter button, and you see it comes up with a C. Press it again, it'll come up with a P. C is chlorinator and pump, P is pump only. So you get that option, and you just put whatever you want in each block. So I want this to come on at 9 o'clock. So we go all the way across there. That's from 8 to 9, that's from 9 till 10. So I press enter on that, and I want to see. I go across one more. That's 2 hours, go across one more. 3 hours, go across one more. 4 hours, and then I'll give it a little break of 2 hours, and then I'm going to run for another 4. 1, move across, 2, move across, 3, move across, 4. So that's running through to 7 o'clock. So that's how that timer system works. I'll refrain myself from talking about how clever that is or how easy that is, particularly if the control gets a bit faded. That's going to be an interesting one. But there you go. That is how you set the timer on a Lincoln Chlorinator. It's actually about putting in C for chlorinator and pump, or P for pump, somewhere in that 24-hour block that's there, and that'll control the Chlorinator.